15th of November, 20 till 9, 51 degrees in Gainesville, Georgia. We're going to head across the top end, headed to my daughter's house for tonight. We thought about going 85, but then we thought, well, we might be able to still catch some color going across the top end. So we decided to do that instead. It's going to 75, 58 tonight, back up to 75 and down to 42 tomorrow night. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need the subscribers, we need the watch hours, the views, the likes, and the shares. We need to check out a Chevrolet van that's got warranty on it. Public safety, not public safety, but public warranty, whatever. I need a female partner that will help me plan these trips, help me do video, don't mind getting in front of the camera a little bit, help edit, download, upload, and likes to do road trips, a week, 2 weeks at a time, whatever. 6 billion people on Earth. Anyway, let me get back to normal. Our normal thing. We've done that pitch. We usually wait and do that about the end of the video. Maybe nobody's watching by then. I don't know yet which route we're going to take. Whether we'll go across Burnt Mountain to Jasper, or whether we'll go further north. Maybe up through Chatsworth, come back down. Calhoun, something like that. We don't know yet. See, I need guidance. We go left or right at Oak Street, just whichever way. When something hits us, we divert pretty easily. I don't know if I need somebody that will hold me on course or will readily divert with me. But anyway, we're going to make this short. Going to get at least one live video somewhere today where we've got good reception. We thought about doing this one. I think we'll still be able to get some color. May actually be just right. I don't know. We'll see. I like going 53, but I like stopping at the creek there in Marble Hill, but last couple of times I've stopped there, there've been people there, and I can't do what I, get the video I need to get. And I think this is Buford Highway here, if I'm not mistaken. West Ridge Road, before 85, before 985, I mean. So anyway, ride along, follow along this weekend. We've still got a lot of video to get up from last week from our South Georgia road trip. And I guess the reason we're going over here today is just to deliver the products we got to my daughter and her husband and son-in-law from Peach World. He wanted some hot peach sauce and some stuff. We need to divert and go down that road over there by the industrial section. By the railroad tracks. If these people would get by, we'd go ahead and do a 180 and come back, but it doesn't look like they're going to cooperate. Traffic is already building. There are about 10 behind us on the left lane, and about 5 behind us in our right lane here. This bridge was built in 19 something, I couldn't tell. It's a little bit newer bridge. It may have been 1970. Yeah, we can't get over. We want to get over and turn and go down by the tracks. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're going to turn and we're going to divert a little bit going through Gainesville. Now we're going to be going back in the sun. We'll turn it off. We need to make this short, don't we? We need to end this one. This one's already 6 minutes long. Let's go ahead and end this one. We'll start another one.